Hi guys, I'm training specialist Joe Pittman with a short and sweet tutorial on how to get your students set up with Navigator using Clever. If you don't have Clever, I'll actually have you watch a different tutorial linked in the description below, but if you're here to use Clever, buckle up and let's begin. Alright, the first thing we'll want to do is direct our students to the Navigator login page, or a custom login page that's specific to your state or organization. From this page, we should be able to find a button or a link that says Login with Clever. We'll have them click on that. They'll be directed away from Navigator and prompted to sign into Clever. From here, we'll have them search for their school. Once they find it, they'll log in with their school username and password. And that's it. Every time your student needs to log in, they can do so using the same super simple steps. This is great for your students as they won't have to worry about keeping track of another password, and they can focus on what matters most, planning for their future. I can't wait for your students to start using Navigator. We'll have tons of resources we share on social media and here on our channel, so make sure to give us a like or hit that subscribe button.